Welcome back, beautiful, beloved souls. This is where I'm going to talk about the photo. So my title is The Artemis Earth Photo That Shouldn't Exist, or should it? So my introduction is the visual puzzle. There's a photo, actually 2 photos, taken roughly 12 hours apart during what's said to be an Artemis mission. The same part of Earth, same cloud formations, same continent, Africa. One in daylight, one in darkness. And the question that hits immediately is, if Earth is rotating, how can this possibly look the same? Because in 12 hours, Earth should have turned halfway around, so either we're misunderstanding what we're seeing, or something doesn't add up. Part 1. The physics explanation. Let's start with the grounded scientific side. The mission in question is Artemis 2. Now, if a spacecraft is traveling away from Earth towards the moon, it is not sitting still. It's moving through space on a curved trajectory. Perspective changes everything. From that moving point, you're not fixed in one position. Your angle relative to Earth is constantly shifting. You can track portions of the same hemisphere longer than you'd expect. Think of it like this. If you slowly walk backward while looking at a spinning globe, you can keep the same region in view longer than if you stood still. Earth isn't a flat disk. From space, Earth is a sphere, which means you can see a large portion of one hemisphere at once. Even after rotation, parts of that same region remain visible. The cloud question. Now the clouds. This is where it feels uncanny. But large weather systems can last 12 to 24 hours or more. Satellite imagery today often shows near identical formations over time. From far away, small changes aren't easily visible. So, what looks identical may actually be very similar, not perfectly the same. Day versus night. The day-night shift doesn't require Earth to spin out of view. It can simply be a change in lighting angle, the spacecraft moving relative to the Sun and Earth. So you can see the same region, different illumination. Let's do part 2. The other side, the doubt. Now, let's step into the other perspective because I did something before making this video. I channeled. And what came through was very clear that humans have not gone to the moon, that the Van Allen belts prevent safe passage, and that even modern missions like Artemis may not be what they appear. The radiation argument. The Van Allen radiation belts are real. They contain high-energy particles that can damage electronics, human tissue. The argument here is, without heavy shielding like lead, passage wouldn't be survival. And I channeled that we needed lead. And therefore, deep space missions may not be possible as presented. The CGI possibility. I also channeled that Artemis was using CGI. Let's look at it. From this perspective, the Earth images raise a different question. Not how is this possible, but why does it look so perfect? Because when two images 12 hours apart look nearly identical, it can feel less like motion and more like a static render. Pattern recognition. The human brain is very sensitive to repetition. When we see same continent, same clouds, same framing, it triggers something instinctive. This is the same image, even if it isn't. Part 3. Where both worlds meet. This is where it gets interesting because both explanations rely on something similar: interpretation. In the physics model, we trust orbital mechanics, perspective geometry, atmospheric science, and we say, this looks strange, but explainable. In the skeptical model, we trust instinct, pattern recognition, and inconsistencies, and we say, this looks wrong. So something is being hidden. The uncomfortable overlap. Both sides are trying to resolve the same tension. What we expect to see versus what we actually see. And when those don't match, we fill the gap with physics or with doubt. Part 4, my position. So, where do I land? I'm going to be very honest. I channeled that humans have not gone to the moon. The radiation belts are a barrier, and that Artemis may not be fully what it appears. But I also know this: channeling is not 100% accurate. remote viewing under strict conditions sits around 65%. So what is channeling? It's filtered through belief, experience, exposure, education, trauma, culture. So even what I received has to be questioned. Question everything. In closing, the open question. So here we are. 2 images, 12 hours apart, looking almost the same. Is it perspective and physics, or something constructed? I'm not here to tell you what to believe. I'm here to show you both sides, because the moment we stop questioning is the moment we stop seeing. Finally, maybe the mystery isn't the image itself, but why it makes us doubt what we thought we understood. Let me know in the comments, and do so with respect. I have 2 questions for you. Have you seen the photos I am talking about? What do you think? Do you think they are real? Or do you think, like I do, it is CGI? Thanks very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Friday tomorrow. I'm doing a lot of videos quickly because I won't be back till Saturday. Please be kind to each other. Take care of yourselves. Love, light, and blessings. This is Jen.